Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'd like to show you a brief video on a lovely 2021 Skoda Kamiq that has just come into our stock. Now this car is finished in moon white metallic, so it's the pearlescent white that Skoda offer, and is powered with the 1.5 turbo 150 horsepower 4-cylinder engine. So it's quite a rare vehicle, this. Now this little presentation is going to show you inside and outside and hopefully give you an idea of the car's condition. Now this is an SEL model, so it's a very highly specified model with sort of micro suede and that grey fleck interior. It comes with things like satellite navigation that most things do nowadays. Plenty of space for 5 occupants, 3 proper seat belts in the back, and air conditioning outlets, so hopefully they won't be complaining on the hot days. Lovely alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, a great big boot, lovely big boot for the size of the car, and this one also benefits from having a spare wheel. So you do have a tyre pressure monitoring system which will alert you, but if you did get caught short, then you will have a bit of a get out of jail free to be able to change the wheel across. Now the seats are in great condition. There's no nicks, smells, tears and things like that. You've also got, say, the ISOFIX fitments in the rear and also on the front passenger seat as well. And then when we go up to the front, electric windows and electric heated and power folding wing mirrors, things like automatic lights, which you kind of expect nowadays. You have a lumbar adjustment on the side of the driver's seat, which is lovely, centre armrest, and then a 6-speed manual gearbox. You have climate control and this lovely big media system. So this incorporates everything really. Satellite navigation, it also runs through your streaming, the ability to control Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as Bluetooth hands-free. So plenty of functionality on there. You've got cruise control as well, and also for a modern experience, what they call the digital dashboard. So this allows you to change the dashboard, the display in behind the steering wheel. Now this car has only covered 39,600 miles, so it's in great condition. Yes, I hope the video shows you, and I think in this colour it really suits it. It really suits the car well. Now if you'd like to discuss this car or your current vehicle as a part exchange or anything like that, please come back and see us. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye bye.